Oh, Padme, Padme. I guess we've come to the end of our road, Padme. I see you here. You lay dying because of my own incompetence. You know, life's a funny thing, really. I always thought that when I first saw you, I knew that you'd be the poop to my pee. You'd be the underwear to my trousers. You'd be the Viagra to my double Viagra. You would be the vomit to my excrement. But it's quite funny, as we realize what's going on. Life throws you curveballs at times. Sometimes you just can't adjust, no matter how much Viagra you take. No matter if you stick your bat through the fly of your pants. No, you won't be ready. Now, as you lay here dying, babe, I just want to say I'm sorry. I'm sorry for not raising our kids right, even though you haven't given birth yet. I'm sorry that you saw Obi-Wan wearing my lingerie. In fact, that was your lingerie. I just recolored them with some sharp markers, that's all. I'm sorry, babe, for all of the rage and the temper tantrums I've thrown, and for all the destruction to your lingerie that I caused in my anger. I'm sorry I left my poop in your drawers. I'm sorry I left my poop on your side of the bathroom. And I'm sorry that I peed on your shoes. Stepping back and seeing you die, it's quite putting things into introspective terms. I just don't know what to say at this point. Now, obviously, actually I do, and that is I'd like to see you take the clothes off one more time, but I realize that at this point that might be somewhat of a crude remark, somewhat of a crass remark, so I won't. I figure I gotta be a gentleman at one point, and I guess I might as well start here. Well, as we go our separate ways, let me just tell you this, that you were the best, kindest woman I've ever known in my life. But then again, I've only ever known two, so didn't really have much competition. I'm out.